Hey y'all, look what I got. I got me a new griddle. It is the Camp Chef Gridiron 36, and I'm really excited to get it. That's the good news. Bad news, it's January here in the Midwest. And you know, several days ago it was 60 degrees, unusual in January, but it's supposed to be in the 20s now, so I'm in my garage going to put together in here instead of out on the patio, and I probably won't even get to use it till next week. It's supposed to get back up in the 40s again. But anyway, I'm going to get this puppy put together, and I want to show you what it looks like and what I got. And I'm not going to do an assembly video. So there's already a couple of good videos out there for assembling this bad boy if you're interested, if you get one. I'll link one in the description below, the one that's actually the Camp Chef one, because it gives some details that some of the others don't. The good news is I can put it together here in the garage. It's on wheels, and I can roll it out the back door onto the patio on the other side of the house, and it's all on concrete. I don't have to drag it through the grass, so that won't be so bad. But man, I'm excited to get this and do some cooking on it, put it out there with my pellet smoker. Yeah, I'm gonna have some good vittles. So next time you see me, it won't be today, it won't be tomorrow, but probably several days from now, I'll be out on my back patio and we'll get this thing fired up and take it from there. See y'all next week. So here is a quick look at the griddle I got. I'm getting ready to do some cooking on it for my first cook. It is the Camp Chef Gridiron 36, and it's all put together. I did get the side burner for it. So it has an extra burner on there if you want to put pots and pans on there to make something, you can. And then it has a nice big shelf over here. It came with some hangers and some tools, things like that. It's got a place for my bottles. Like that. Since I got the burner, it came with a splitter on the propane tank. You can see that, so that it hooks up the burner and the grill itself. But I've already seasoned it, and it's ready to go. This actually comes pre-seasoned, but I seasoned it a couple more times anyway, just to make it ready to go. But it's a nice looking grill if you don't need stainless steel. It's got the grease catch in here, right there where the grease goes. It's got the trough in the front for the grease. Some people like it better in the back. Blackstone has one in the back. This one has one in the front with a sloped trough going down to it. I personally wanted it in the front because of cleaning it out. I have a rail back behind the grill, and I didn't want to have to. You can see I'm really tight here. I wasn't planning on putting this grill here, but I'm really tight. Another reason I got the Camp Chef is because I already have a Camp Chef pellet smoker, and I've loved it. So I got this one. I like that you can get a little bit more even all the way across without overheating everything. Yeah, you still have to zone cook, but you can also get a even heat that's not overly hot, I think. We shall see. That is my grill. But anyway, sorry for the lighting out here. I'm outside, and it's January. It's cold. I got my coat on. Well, it's in the 30s, so it's cooking weather. That's basically the grill that I got, the flat top grill that I got. And I'm not going to show anything how to use it because I don't know how to use it. So there's a lot of good videos out there showing that. I don't need to repeat it because I show things that I get for the house. This is just one of them, and I'm just showing it to you. I just went to campchef.com and ordered it. There's different variations you can get. I think you can get it off of Amazon too. I mean, I'll leave a link in the description below to one of these. It's just a variation that you can take a look at. But so anyway, that's going to do it for the Gridiron 36 that I just got, and I hope to get a lot of good use out of it. I may have some videos coming up of me cooking on it. But anyway, I pray that God blesses you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.